In the last lesson, you learned how to use group mode. So now, let's learn how to use group mode in your formulas.
Okay.
So we're on the summary page, and you'll notice that we need to calculate the quarterly sales total and the average quarterly sales. That data is on the other 4 sheets that you see here. So go to quarter 1 sheet, take a look, we've got the data, and then the total is already there in cell D22. And what I want you to notice is that it's in the same cell in all 4 quarters. So just quickly click on quarter 2, same cell in quarter 3 and quarter 4. Excellent. So this is going to make it really easy to add up all 4 of those numbers. And we call this a 3D formula or a 3D reference because when it's 3D, it just means it's the same cell on every sheet.
Okay.
So we're going to use our group mode trick as well when we create this calculation. Let's go to the summary sheet. We're in the correct cell. We're just going to do our auto sum, and we'll do our alt equals shortcut. And then here's what we'll do. Click on the quarter 1 sheet, and then click in cell D22. And if you take a look at the formula bar, that's what it put in there, equals sum quarter 1 D22. And here's where group mode comes in. We're going to hold down our shift key. We're going to click on quarter 4. Take a look at the formula bar. It says quarter 1 colon quarter 4. Of course, that means through. Cell D22 on all of them. And if you look down across the bottom, they all turned white. So we're in group mode, and all we have to do is enter. And we have our total.
Wow.
That was painless, wasn't it?
Yes.
Let's try it again for the average. So let's go to our auto sum menu, and we'll just select average. We're going to hit delete to take out what's in there, and we're just going to do the exact same process.
I'm going to click on the quarter 1 sheet, click on cell D22, hit shift, click on quarter 4, and then hit enter. And there's the average.
Excellent. So that's how you create your 3D formulas. Now obviously it works best when the totals, in this case, are the exact same cell on every sheet. It is possible to do a range as well. You could have done several cells and done it the same way, but the 3D formulas are a great shortcut.